This video is going to walk you through how you can access YouTube audio library on YouTube completely free. Without much ado, let's get started. You must have logged in into your with your Gmail. So go to the right button like I'm doing here, and then you click on YouTube Studio like I have done in this very place. So it's going to load into your YouTube dashboard, and then I'm going to show you how you can get access to it. So click on the left menu, and then you scroll down and you will see audio library. So click on the audio library, and then it's going to load the library, and in this library you'll see a lot of audios, and then I'm going to play them for you to see. And then there are actually many. Look at this. So I'm going to give it a pause, and then there are lots of audios here. So what you just have to check is the license type. So can you see, because it say you can use this audio track, and then if I click on view detail, you say you can use this audio track in any of the video. So that is, I don't need to actually write to them. So, and then I can easily download. You see, I hit on download in this place, and then I download. Let me look for another word. You can also search for sound effects, and then these are the alerts depending on the categories that's really want. So let me play this factory background. Let me fast forward. Let me play another one. Trunk driving in parking structure. You can see that the effect is actually there. So you may want to use all these. They are completely free. And then let me look for another word, and then I can search for the category, for the track title, and then let me move back to the first word. Yeah, and then I wanted to search. Let me see if I can search for. I want to search based on the mood, and then based on the mood I want to click on inspirational. So, and I click on apply. So if I click on apply, you see if I play this, it's going to be related. It's going to be an inspirational something. Can you see? And then the genre is rock. The genre is rock, and then the name of the artist is there, and you check out the license type, and then you can see that I can use this on my video, and you can easily download it. So let me play this Icelandic arpeggio. If you see. So that's how to download, that's how to access YouTube library. If you love this video, consider to subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.